Hey guys, this is Will, and I am joined with my father and my brother.
All right, let's go with this one. You try it.
Hey everybody, my name is Weston, and I'm gonna unbox some of the computer stuff for my brother. And I'm here with me, my dad, and my brother.
Okay, how about I try? Hey guys, this is Will. I'm here with my two sons. We are going to be unboxing some what I would call studio upgrades or office upgrades to hopefully make the videos better for you guys. And then we are also going to be doing the unboxing of my son's $550 computer. So I will open the first one. Alrighty, what do we have here? We'll just toss that over there. So this is part of your computer. This is the MSI B150M mortar motherboard. I'll have links for these all in the description, but this will be part of the computer. So that's your motherboard. And then I guess since we had this, we have the Core i3 i6100 or yeah, i3 6100U. This is a dual core with hyper threading. Quit playing with knives, son. This is a nice processor, very affordable. It provides good performance. And what is this? What is this? What do you think that is? What's it say? We don't need the knife for this one. What's it say?
Manfrotto?
Manfrotto. So this is a Pro Video head flat base. So this will allow me to give you guys better panning and some better B-roll, because from what I've been doing, I've just been winging it. So let's not block you from the camera. We'll put it on the ground. Okay, you open this one.
This is easy to open up.
Yep, open it. And while he's doing that, be careful with the knife. Put it down here. Okay? Do it. Don't cut to your... Hey, look at, you're cutting to yourself. You don't want to do that. How about I cut it, because this is just terrible. Alrighty. What do we have here? Pull it out. Pull it out.
Another box.
Another box? Nothing else is in there. Throw that away. You got that? Or do you need me to help you? Alrighty. I don't think that's part of the computer build. Alright, reach in there, grab that out.
I need this to get stamped.
You need some help?
No. I need it to get straight.
Of what? What do you think that is? Think that's a processor or something?
Oh, here's
No, it's RAM, memory. Okay, whoa, 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 what is this? Oh, okay. This is a slider that will definitely improve the B-roll.
This is the feet.
Yep, that is feet. It's like a little skateboard. The wheels go on it. So we'll toss that over here.
So you can move it?
Yep, it's going to be crazy. Alrighty. What do you think this is?
Can I open that one?
What do you think this is?
Wait, we can both open it. Hang on. This is the outside of the computer.
The case.
Dad, we could have both opened it.
Nope, you guys aren't playing with the knife.
Who said I could?
The internet would go crazy. And then I'd go crazy if you cut yourself. So this is the Corsair Carbide 88R. Just a second. Weston, get your fingers out of there. Stop.
Oh, this is boring.
If it's boring, then get out of the video, buddy. Don't ruin it.
You don't even unbox stuff.
Well, I am letting you box. I'm not letting you play with the thing. So look at that. What do you think about that? Pretty cool? Let's leave it on there because that protects it. But that'll be a window, and then we'll get you some RGB lights because those are the latest craze. So Corsair Carbide 88R is the PC case. Put that down there.
Also, it has the
Yep. Oh, I got it. Ooh, there. Alrighty. I think these are the other components. You want to try that? All right. Let me get over here. No, you're not using the knife. I definitely did not let him do it. He got it for like 30 seconds, and he was going to cut himself, and then I was like, probably not a good idea.
I'm hoping it, Dad. You don't even know if I'm going to be good.
Alrighty. Yep. Okay. Let me see.
I got it.
The internet is waiting in suspense. All right, muscles. Okay. So, all right. What do we got there?
We have the...
Say, I don't know how to read yet, Dad. I'm just learning. All right, hold on. Let's wait for that.
We have another pack of a fan.
No, let me see. All right, so this is the MSI graphics card. It is the RX 470, 4 gigabytes, GDDR5. I picked this over the 1050 Ti just from a little research. It looks like it gets better frame rates than 1080p, which this is what it's going to be going for. So, and then I got, don't open it, we have a EVGA 500B. It's a semi-modular power supply. Good power supply for the price. What is this? I bought a Joby for basically if I'm doing a test, or not a test, but filming on my desk where the tripod or the bigger tripod can't get. These are pretty nice. A lot of vloggers use them. I don't think I'll be ever doing that. Yeah, you can use that too. All right, I'm kind of wondering what this is. Okay, this is a white balance card. I'm not particularly sure how to use this, but I heard it's good. Will you stop making noise over there, buddy? Hold on. Yeah, pick that up and throw it out to the side. Oh, what is this? Throw some stuff out then. Kids. Alright, I don't remember what that is. What is that? What's that look like? Yeah. No, it's a tripod. So this is a head to attach to the Manfrotto tripod that they just unboxed. This is a nice tripod. Pretty affordable for being a Manfrotto. This will go on top and allow me to mount the camera. I don't know why I got this off the top of my head, because the fluid head's going on the Manfrotto. But I think I got this. Oh, I got this because I got this desk too. I'm going to build something to attach this to get a top-down view of the unboxings or reviews like that. So I think we got everything except the last one. That's not how we're going to open it. Stop.
That's how I open it.
I know. You just open stuff crazily. So probably the biggest upgrade that the office is getting is this box right here.
Can I do it?
No. Please move. Please move. Oh, it's not the right blade to be using on this, but what do you guys think this is?
The case.
Case for what? It is a case.
Computer.
Nope. We already unboxed that. Get that cardboard out of there. This is pretty heavy.
Oh. Is that I can't remember the name of it.
These are studio lights. So bulbs. So the lighting kind of sucks in here. I actually have like a construction lamp that's on top of my ceiling pointing down to us, hanging on a hook, so it's not really good. Hey, guess what? What are you blocking? Blocking the camera, silly. So these are studio lights, probably the biggest upgrade that this could use because this office is pretty crappy with lighting. So, but that's about it. Those are all the components of the computer, and so expect the computer build, which I'm going to have this little guy build, and then we'll do some benchmarks on that. But hopefully the ideal thing is it's a $550 build. Piece that goes out of that build is this. I upgraded the motherboard which I probably shouldn't have done because it didn't make sense. This has 2 PCI by 16 slots, which I could do crossfire, but in reality, am I going to do that? Probably not. We're probably just going to build another computer. So, with that said, that's going to be it for us. You guys want to say your names again?
I'm Will.
You want to say your name?
I'm Weston.
And who are we talking to?
Camera.
So we say goodbye to the internet, to the
Bye.
interwebs.
Bye.
All right, and we will see you guys on the next one.
See ya.